gwethia rumeni haha arumeti haha ni tuhanaine ni muti na ne muru arunye de muru no kora mwekiaru ni de muru ukora haria mundu aruaga na haria mundu agimaraga haraihaniririe na mita. Unaweza kuwa mluu lakini wewe si mugimu. Mama mama. Wife is not church business. She is my wife. Nani to dia na to kale roepo. Ona ya turathie to inete oguo. Nyina roi na mirio turathie tureretwo chini kwa chini ni DJ. Ndere to thite mundu ngimi na ngoma arokara ngothogo rajate mwathani agocoka magui. No, let me talk to somebody here. Eke hapo hivyo. Hapo ni sawa. Thank you, brother. You are a good guy. Thank you. No, ndoko wako jingira bisha. Tare ule nyuma kanitho muthi mahotha ndakuwa. No, tare wande ka ukwa ndagande. Ukwa ndagande wale ngai. Kai matuine kwa supermarket. Araika le marehagwo. That is my sweat. Nega yugete mundu ari thina yake. Na dahuja marehe ndorire nenie ka nega yuthiginire. Dona nenie deka nyino arurizo kak. Ogone kumara sihore buthi to katarire pere. People don't like you as a person. They like what you do. I don't trust people. And even you guys who are sitting here, I don't trust you. Amwe mokuya video haha, mwekera Facebook ine, mwekera YouTube ine, mwekera korea koge, haria hall. Not haria hega. Nigga to get no followers. Akuona ni ore de mwaganu. Mwaganu ni food brother ni aisha na gera thoko. And I want to tell somebody here, if you want to make your wife happy, you make your husband happy, be yourself. Don't depend on other people's opinion to know who you are. You are somebody without anybody's body. You don't get it okay, kuriaraiga, nikiotoiga ha. Nakuire njeri wangangonge kugane wanyona tongetheka twengarine atinane waganganja gwenda kuria ine atia tumdekire thikarodi ngari emerongo onjaragia ndegune naki kamuto wako ari munyugi ati ndacomoraga ngamwikira riu guthe ati ndamona magetheka na muthekera na gutheka. Excuse me bro, the Bible says in Psalms 139, verse number 12, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. How no hamukinyagia utire hage moe how kianda hako igatiriri. Marvelous is the work of the Lord, and my soul knows this very well. If your soul does not know who you are, your neighbor is not ready to tell you. Mwigetuwe wahi kile kwe modro mwesi mwena ake hau akorone wambio